What if I told you there's a subway system so efficient, so reliable, that it makes money instead of losing it? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Hong Kong's MTR, a transit system that might just be the best in the world. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to want to book a flight to Hong Kong just to ride the subway. Here's a mind-blowing fact. While most subway systems around the world lose money and require government subsidies, Hong Kong's MTR actually turns a profit. We're talking about a 99.9% on-time performance rate, and get this, the average delay is just 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Meanwhile, in New York, if your subway is only 10 minutes late, you consider yourself lucky. So what's their secret? Let's break it down. The numbers don't lie first. Let's talk performance. The MTR carries over 4 million passengers daily across 93 stations and 218 kilometers of track. That's like moving the entire population of Los Angeles every single day, and they do it with Swiss watch precision. But here's where it gets really interesting. The MTR isn't just a transportation company. They're a property development empire. This is the key to their success. The system boasts a 99.9% on-time performance. That's not a typo. Compare that to the London Underground at 95%, New York's MTA at around 80%, or Tokyo's famously punctual system at 96%. Hong Kong literally sets the global standard. But here's where it gets really interesting. The MTR isn't just a transportation company. They're a property development empire. This is the key to their success. Unlike most subway systems that are purely public services, MTR uses something called the Rail Plus property model. They don't just build subway lines. They develop entire communities around their stations. Shopping malls, residential complexes, office buildings, all connected directly to MTR stations. This means when you exit an MTR station, you might find yourself in the middle of a massive shopping center or the lobby of a residential tower. It's urban planning genius, and it's incredibly profitable. The attention to detail is insane. Every MTR station has platform screen doors, those glass barriers that prevent accidents and keep the air conditioning in. The result? Safer platforms, energy efficiency, and precise boarding. Then there's the Octopus card system, launched in 1997, way before contactless payments were cool anywhere else. One card for trains, buses, shopping, parking, even vending machines. It's so convenient that 99% of Hong Kong residents use it daily. But technology alone doesn't explain the MTR's success. There's a cultural component too. Hong Kong passengers follow unwritten rules religiously. Stand right, walk left on escalators, queue in designated areas, let passengers exit before boarding. This isn't just politeness. It's efficiency in human form. When everyone follows the same rules, the entire system flows like clockwork. And can we talk about the Airport Express for a second? This thing is a game changer. 24 minutes from Central Station to the airport. Compare that to an hour-plus journey from most major cities to their airports. Plus, they have in-town check-in counters where you can literally check your luggage in the city and walk onto your plane with just a boarding pass. Now, it's not all perfect. During rush hour, trains are packed tighter than a can of sardines. The system gets overwhelmed during major events or protests. And let's be honest, the MTR is expensive compared to other Asian cities. But here's the thing. Even with these challenges, it still works better than almost any other subway system on the planet. So what can other cities learn from Hong Kong's success? First, integration is key. Don't just build train lines, build communities around them. The MTR's property development model might not work everywhere due to different land ownership laws, but the principle of creating value beyond just transportation is crucial. Second, invest in technology early and often. Platform screen doors, real-time tracking, contactless payments. These weren't afterthoughts for the MTR. They were built into the system from the beginning. Third, maintain discipline in operations. Every delay is analyzed. Every inefficiency is addressed. It's not enough to build a good system. You have to maintain it obsessively. So is Hong Kong's MTR the world's most efficient subway? The numbers certainly suggest it. 99.9% on-time performance, profitable operations, seamless integration with city life. It's pretty hard to argue against. But efficiency isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a system that people actually want to use, that makes their lives better, that becomes an integral part of how a city functions. And by that measure, the MTR doesn't just succeed, it excels. Have you ever ridden the Hong Kong MTR? Let me know in the comments what impressed you most, or if you think another subway system